Now let's talk about headings. So usually when you have a book, there are chapters, right? And usually there's a big heading there, like the text in big caps, chapter one, whatever. Usually documents have sections and subsections of those sections. So if you want to emulate that in an HTML, we have the H tags for that. So it goes from level 1 to level 6. So before the paragraph here, I can break a new line and type before that. It doesn't matter if I type right here or if I type in a new line, it will be just the same. So HTML won't care about that line break or space. In any case, this is the H1 element, and then put the closing tag, and in between them, you're going to type this is heading level 1. Click run, and what you're going to see is some text in really big letters. Visually, that's what an H1 looks like by the default browser style. I'm using Firefox browser, by the way. You might be using Chromium based, like Chrome. All right. So levels go from 1 to 6. So visually the text becomes smaller and smaller because they're meant to be subsections of a section. For example, the H1 here, you would have some text in this section. If you want to add a subsection, you can go here and add an H2 like this. This is heading level 2. And then you can write some paragraph saying, describe this subsection. Click run, and you can see the heading level 2 here. It's a little smaller than level 1, but it's meant to be like a subsection of this whole section here that's under the level 1. So the next heading I want to show is level 3, and then I'm going to show all the way through 6. Since it's very tedious, I'm just going to repeat the same pattern. You'll see H3. This is heading level 3. And then I'm going to do H4. This is heading level 4. And then this is H5. This is heading level 5. And then finally, H6. This is heading level 6. Now click top left run. You can see if I increase that level 3 is even smaller than 2, which is meant to be like a subsection of that subsection. And then 4 is a subsection of the 3. And then 5 and 6. You can see it gets smaller and smaller visually